Hey, it's Forrest. So I'm in my office, obviously. This is definitely not the cab of my truck. Doesn't look like this in the cab of my truck. And I want to talk about something real quick. I had one of my subscribers reach out to me, and he was asking about this truck that he wants to buy to use in Hotshot vehicle transportation. And that's pretty much what we do, so I have a lot of knowledge in this area. And what I told him is what we do with our trucks is when we buy them, and it said 200,000 miles on them, I'm not scared of that. Get it checked out, of course. You want to make sure all that happens. But what I told him is that when we buy our trucks, we have them checked out and everything, and then we also put away $300 into a repair escrow per month per truck. And what that allows us to do is have a pool of money that we can pull from and when a repair comes up. Now, that's not service. So you want to make sure you're not dipping in there for oil changes or tire repairs or tires themselves, or even brakes. That's not really, those are things that are wear items. You should be putting that away for your maintenance. I'm talking about repairs, like check engine light pops on, things making a funny noise, they tell you it needs a new turbo, whatever. The spring's a leak somewhere, or something pops off of it, all the drill. And so if you put away $300 a month, at the end of the year you have about $3,600 there. That'll help solve a lot of problems. And let me tell you why I did this. It's really not when people have a problem with their vehicles breaking down. I mean, I think anybody who owns a vehicle expects them to break down at some point. No one ever bought a car and says, oh, this thing's going to last forever and never break down. The problem comes in is when the car breaks down, they're not prepared for that breakdown. It's not the amount of money. And, the people have, oh, my God, I can't believe it's $1,000. Man, I can't believe it's $1,200 or $1,500. That's not what they can't believe. Their mind's on overload. Their mind's on overload thinking, how am I going to pay the $1,200? How am I going to pay the $1,500? That's really what the problem is. But if you have that money, it's like, okay, I knew this was coming. Let's go ahead and get it fixed. And then you get back on the road, right? So my suggestion to anyone out there is you begin to escrow for repairs. Get an escrow account, put some money into it. That way you can have it when it comes later on. And most of us don't do that. And what's funny is we'll buy an extended warranty when we buy a truck and it's built into the payment. The problem is that extended warranty has an end. And when it ends, your money's gone. You'll have paid in. If you never used the extended warranty, you paid in and that's it. Whereas if you did your own extended warranty, self-insured more or less, and you throw that money away, a few years and 3 or 4 years from now, and you've been putting in an average of $3,600 a year, you've dipped into it and this and there, you have money in the bank. So then when you go to trade your truck in, if you need some cash, you can use that cash and redo it again whenever you go to do it. So escrow for repairs, $300 a month, $400 a month, whatever you can do, and go from there. It's going to make the road a lot better for you. It's going to make things, when they tell you that it needs that repair, it's going to make it feel a whole lot better than it does when they say it's $1,500, it's $2,000, it's $3,000, or whatever that figure is. It's going to make it feel a lot better. Trust me on this.